Silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We're back at negative MACD territory. We're nearing oversold levels with the RSI. We failed to close above the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $23.14. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. And as with the daily chart, we are in negative MACD and at oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.54, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.91. My stop loss is at $19.93. And as if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $22.02, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $21.17, and my stop loss is at $22.68. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 69% chance to climb between 0 to 3.5%, a 15% chance to climb between 3.5 to 7%, and to the downside it has a 15% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.